In today's video, we're going to show you how to use JSON to simplify the JavaScript code. Since there's currently no JSON example under the installation directory, we have to manually modify the code by reading the dev guide. We'll start by going to dynamsoft.com, clicking on the dynamic Web TWAIN page, and clicking the download link to obtain a free 30-day trial. Once our trial package has downloaded, we can find the dynamic Web TWAIN exe file and install the application. With our version of Dynamic Web TWAIN installed, we can select the Dynamic Web TWAIN file, open the Documents folder, and click to open the Dynamic Web TWAIN Developer's Guide. We'll copy the new dwobject.startScan code. We can return to that Dynamic Web TWAIN folder, but this time we'll open the Samples folder. This is where we can find our Getting Started guide. In the Getting Started folder, we can open our Hello World sample. Next, what we want to do is remove a sample of the JavaScript code and replace it with the JSON code from our developer guide. Now when we run our Hello World sample, we can scan our documents. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or visit our website at dynamsoft.com. Thanks for watching.